welcome to our channel Kavi CTGK Study. Today in this session we are going to discuss about the Indian cities and their location part 2. So let's start our session. Our first city is Karad and it is located on Krishna River. Karad is a city in Satara district in the southern part of Indian state of Maharashtra and its location is on Krishna River. Next is Bangi. It is located on the southern bank of river Mahanadi and its location is on Mahanadi River. Next is Cuttack. Cuttack, this is a city in eastern Odisha and it is situated in Mahanadi River. Next is Sambalpur. It is a city in northwestern Odisha state and it is situated in a lowland valley along the Mahanadi River. So friends, Sambalpur, which is located in Odisha, is situated on Mahanadi River. Next is Kottayam. It is a town in southern state of Kerala and it is situated near Vemban Lake at the mouth of the Minachili River. So friends, Kottayam, it is a city in Kerala and it is situated in Minachili River. Next is Pune. Pune city is located in west central state of Maharashtra and its location is on Mulla and Mutha river. Next is Hyderabad. Hyderabad is located on the Musi river in the heart of Telangana and its location is on Musi river. Jabalpur. It is located in Madhya Pradesh and Jabalpur city is situated on the bank of Narmada river. Next is Bharuch. It is a city in Gujarat state and it lies along the Narmada river near the Gulf of Khambat. Next is Mangalore. It is a city in Karnataka and it is situated on the bank of Netravati and Gurpur river. Next is Coimbatore. This is a major city in Indian state of Tamil Nadu and it is located on the bank of Noyal river. Our next city is Kolhapur. It is a city on the bank of Panchganga river in the West Indian state of Maharashtra. So friends, Kolhapur is located in Maharashtra and it is situated on the bank of Panchganga river. Next is Nellore. It is a city in Andhra Pradesh and it is located on the bank of Penna river. Next city is Gorakhpur. Gorakhpur is located in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh and it is situated along the bank of Rapti river. Next is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is the largest city of Gujarat and it is situated on the Sabarmati river. Next is Ayodhya. It is also called Odh or Awadh of Uttar Pradesh. It is situated on the bank of river Saryu river. So friends, Ayodhya, which is located in Uttar Pradesh, is situated on the bank of river Saryu river. Next is Mahad. It is a town situated in the state of Maharashtra and it is located on the bank of Savitri river. Next is Honavar. It is a port town in Karnataka and it is located on the bank of Saravati river. So friends, Honavar, which is located in Karnataka and this city is situated on the bank of river Sharavati. Next is Ujjain. It is the largest city in Ujjain district of Indian state of Madhya Pradesh and this city is located on the bank of river Shipra. Next is Firozpur. It is also known as Firozpur is a city on the bank of Sutlej river. Next is Surat. This is a city in the Indian state of Gujarat This city is located on the Tapti River, which is very close to Arabian Sea. Our next city is Tirunelveli. It is a major city in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu, and it is located on the west bank of Thamiravarani River. Next is Shimoga. It is a city in the central part of state of Karnataka, and it lies on the bank of Tunga River. Next is Kudli. It is a small village in Samoga district in the Indian state of Karnataka, and it is situated along the bank of Tungabhadra River. Next is Kajrat. It is a state. Kajrat is a town in the Indian state of Maharashtra, and it is located on the west bank of river Ulhas. So friends, Kajrat, which is located in Maharashtra, is situated on the bank of Ulhas River. Next is Madurai. It is an energetic ancient city on the Vaigai River in the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu. So friends, Madurai, which is a city in Tamil Nadu, is situated on the bank of Vaigai River. Next is Vadodara. It is the third largest city in the western Indian state of Gujarat, and it is located on the bank of Vishwamitri River. So friends, Vadodara, it is located on the bank of Vishwamitri River. Next is Bengaluru. Bengaluru, it is an Indian city of Bengaluru is a city in Karnataka, and it is located on the bank of Virashvati River. Next is Agra. It is a city on the bank of river Yamuna in the northern state of Uttar Pradesh. So friends, Agra, it is a city in Uttar Pradesh, and its location is, and it is located on the bank of Yamuna River. Next is New Delhi. It lies on the footplain of Yamuna River. Next is Mathura. It is situated along the bank of river Yamuna, and it is a district of Uttar Pradesh, state of northern India. So friends, Mathura, which is located in Uttar Pradesh, is situated along the bank of river Yamuna. Next is Etawah. It is a city on the bank of Yamuna River in the state of Uttar Pradesh in India. So friends, Etawah is a city in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and it is located on the bank of Yamuna River. So friends, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में. थैंक यू. Do like and keep subscribing.